In a quiet village, a scrappy cat named Luna and a playful dog named Max lived next door. At first, they fought over everything: bones, sunny spots, even butterflies. One stormy night, Luna got stuck in a tree. Max barked frantically until help arrived. Grateful, Luna shared her secret fish stash with him. From then on, they became inseparable, chasing leaves, napping in sunbeams, and guarding their street together. Villagers smiled at the unlikely pair, calling them the heart of the neighborhood. Though different in every way, Luna and Max proved that friendship speaks no language but loyalty and love.